Yo, 6610, you know what I'm saying? Back at it again with another bang. Look, we doing something. You see in the title, you look in the thumbnail, it's no explaining right here, bro. So we just gonna jump straight into the cut and nothing else, nothing less, nothing more, man. And I'll see y'all. So as you can see, here is the gaming desk right here. Now I have vacuumed and did all that stuff just to clear this side of my room. And I put all my PC parts over here. As you can see, my monitor, keyboard, PC. And I know what y'all thinking, real, why do you got this on the floor? I'm gonna be setting all that up in just a second. And then I got my microphone sitting right here. And so I'm about to go ahead and unbox this. And then I'm gonna get this all set up. And then I'll show you the finishing product. See here. I broke it down and I got all the parts here. Everything came in, and I'm gonna double make sure when I put this together that everything is crystal and clear, that I ain't gotta take this back, and I want to make sure everything is smooth before we move on with the next step. But yo, what's going on, OG family? Welcome back. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's really amazing because the stuff that went on in this video behind the video scenes was definitely one of those. It definitely took at least 2 or 3 hours because I got off work at 2 p.m. and unboxed it. I was just super happy when I ran inside. I was like, oh, I'm so ready. So I unboxed it, got everything put, sorted everything out. And then the tough part that took that long is because putting all the stuff together. Because I looked up YouTube videos on how to do it with the Pacific's desk. It was just a whole mess at that point. And then behind the scenes, I actually built this desk and then realized that the parts wasn't even connected right. The desk was not even connecting with the mouse pad, this big old mouse pad. And then I have to disassemble it and then reconnect all of it and fix it, basically. That was very interesting. But overall, with this gaming desk, man, I give it a solid, like, in general, a 9.5. It feels sturdy. It can handle your PC, not unless you got a heavy PC. Depending on your type, you might put it on the far left, far right, or you might have something on your floor to support your gaming PC. But definitely it is sturdy enough to handle it, and also 3, 2, or maybe 4 monitors. It's supportive with this gaming desk here. This is a 55-inch. Now they do got a 63-inch. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you're trying to cop this. Also a big plus, it has a big old mouse pad. You just can't miss it. One thing I do not like about this desk, the simple fact is, and pretty much people can understand exactly where I'm coming from, it's a big old split with this gaming desk. Like, literally, when you take it outside of the official box, it's literally split, and it's annoying. So that's where the big mouse pad comes into place, and it covers it to give you that nice clean effect, and it looks pretty clean, to be honest with me. One plus thing I love about this is it has a signal rack. It also got a cup holder and a headphone stand, and you can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? Also, to put your cables and sort them out and all that stuff, it has these two on this Dex in particular, and you can definitely sort that out. If you doing cable management, you want a little bit more clean, they definitely got that in here. Um, they also have where you can put your PS4 controller or game. I ain't really digging that one, you know what I'm saying? But regardless, I'm gonna give it a 9.5. You know what I'm saying? Besides earlier that incident that happened, I'm just like, it shouldn't have took that long, to be honest, man. But we got everything straightened out. So if you enjoy this, thank you so much for coming. If you want me to talk about this microphone, how do I feel about this microphone, leave it in the comments down below and tell me how you feel. Is this a W? Put a W. If you're coming from TikTok, what's up, TikTok? Shout out to all my followers and everybody that's on my different social media platforms that's watching this. Make sure y'all turn me up, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited. You know what I'm saying?